Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I would like to show you my favorite recipe, tiramisu. I get a request for this delicious dessert and let's get started. Now I will make the custard cream. The water just boil is hot. On the top of the bowl I put the empty bowl. To make custard cream I need 3/4 cup sugar, 6 organic very fresh egg yolks. Whisk above the hot water till the egg yolks will change color to light, very light yellow. Or you can use the blender. You can see the egg yolks and sugar change color already. The custard cream is almost done. The custard cream is done. Now I will beat 2 cups of cold heavy cream. The whipped cream is perfect consistency, not too thick. Now I will make the mascarpone mixture. 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Now I will mix mascarpone cheese. Now I'm adding custard cream. And now I will combine custard cream and mascarpone together. It's beautiful already. Now I'm adding whipped cream to mascarpone and custard cream. You can see I just have 3/4 cup sugar for this recipe. I don't put any sugar to the whipped cream. And now I'll combine all these 3 ingredients together. Mascarpone cream with custard and whipped cream is done. We're looking for this consistency, it's beautiful. Look at this, it's nice and thick. The color is perfect. I have fresh brew coffee. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of coffee liquor and let's go start making tiramisu. Now I will dip ladyfingers in a coffee mixture. Just very quick dip like this and it's done. This is 4th layer ladyfingers and next cream. And on the top of the cream, raspberry. Next layer, ladyfingers. Just quick dip. Cream. Tiramisu is done and I'll put in the fridge for a few hours. Let's go remove it. Wow, and we have little shape of butterfly. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new recipe. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. See you soon on my next episode. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.